The Lord be with you.
and with your spirit.
A reading from the Holy Gospel according to John.
Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, "Peace I leave with you, my peace I give to you. Not as the world gives, do I give it to you. Do not let your hearts be troubled or afraid. You heard me tell you, I am going away, and I will come back to you. If you loved me, you would rejoice that I am going to the Father, for the Father is greater than I. And now I have told you this before it happens, so that when it happens, you may believe. I will no longer speak much with you, for the ruler of the world is coming. He has no power over me, but the world must know that I love the Father, and that I do just as the Father has commanded me." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to your Lord Jesus Christ. Please be seated.
Magandang umaga po ulit sa inyong lahat, and welcome to the Minor Basilica of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. Napaka-importante ng binigay sa atin ng Panginoon dito sa Gospel. Peace. Peace be with you. Very important. So important that somehow, either because the people have been interpreted in a wrong way, people go through all sorts of things, extents, para lang makuha yung peace. They build big houses, people build high fences, so that the thieves will not come into their homes. Peace. Yun ang concept nila ng peace, na walang na safe sila. So, big houses, high fences, strong gates, sturdy gates. Hindi ba naman, hindi lang naman aside from, or maybe instead of high houses, they put their peace on the amount of money or of savings that they have. Kaya ipon sila ng ipon. O kaya sometimes, kapag sobrang mali yung kanilang pag-iisip, they go to illegal means para lang magkaroon ng mas maraming pera. And we have seen this happening in our world, in our country. No? Maraming mga tao na gumagawa ng kalokohan na hindi tama just to enrich themselves, just to get more money. Iba naman, maybe because of money also, is power. Sa tingin nila, pag meron silang maraming power, malakas na power, they'll be at peace. Tahimik yung buhay nila dahil meron silang power, walang magsasakit sa kanila, walang magpo-pull down sa kanila. So they have power, they have peace. Misconceptions. Diba? This is sinasabi ng Panginoon na the peace that He gives is not the kind of peace that the world gives. And this is what the kind of peace that the world gives. Money, false security, power, and all of that. Things that depend on what we have here in the world. Money and power. Popularity, ganun din. Beauty, ganun din. Hindi titigil ng pagpapaganda, pagpapalaki ng katawan until they have peace. Sa tingin nila, yun ang magbibigay ng kapayapaan sa kanila. But this is not the kind of peace that Jesus gives. Kaya ang sabi niya, from the very start, "Peace I leave with you, but not as the world gives peace." Ano ba yung peace na binibigay ng Diyos sa atin? Ano ba yung peace na binibigay ni Jesus sa atin? There was a time in another gospel when Jesus says, "I will be with you until the end of time." Siguro yun ang peace na binibigay niya sa atin. To know and be assured that God is with us, that God will always be with us. Ang question, are we with God? We can be sure that God is with us. Pinangako na niya yun sa atin, di ba? I will be with you till the end of time. So ang question, are we with God? Tayo ba kasama ng Diyos? Tayo ba kaisa ng Diyos? Tayo ba nagtitiwala sa Diyos? Yun na nga, kapag hindi ka nagtiwala sa Diyos, kapag kulang pa sa iyo yung peace na binibigay ng Panginoon, then you go for the worldly peace. You go for money and power and so on. But the Lord offers us another peace, the security that God is with us. Hopefully, that with that security, we can also remain with God. How? By being accepting. Pag tinatanggap natin yung mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, tinatanggap natin yung mga tao sa paligid natin, then we are at peace. If we know that, come what may, dumating man yung storms, dumating man yung earthquakes and landslides and floods and so on, gera, kano mangyari sa paligid natin, because God is with us, we may experience pain and difficulties, no? Hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi tayo magkakasakit, hindi tayo masasaktan. We may experience those things, but in spite of them, in spite of the sickness, in spite of the pain, in spite of the suffering, we can still have peace knowing that God is with us and we are with God. Kaya nga kung di tayo gumagawa ng kalokohan, then we are with God. Kapag tayo tumutulong, we are good to other people, then we are with God. And if God is with us and we are with God, then we will have genuine, deep peace. Kaya nga, di ba, napaka-importante ng peace. Kaya nga, di ba, pag sa dulo ng buhay natin, anong wish ng mga tao, prayer ng mga tao, may he or may she, may they rest in peace. But that doesn't have to happen only in death. Even in life, we can move, we can work towards, we can wish for and pray and do everything to have peace by constantly keeping in mind and heart that God is with us. And to strive and try hard that we be with God by doing the right things, by always living rightly, by always living in the way that Jesus lived. So we ask God today na sana hindi natin makalimutan yung peace na yan na binibigay sa atin ng Diyos. But also, even more importantly, sana hindi rin natin makalimutan to always do what is right, what is good, what is useful, so that we can be at peace with God.